gonna die?
You gotta do,
Oh, it's on 12 minutes.
You gotta put it high, it's 12 o'clock.
Smoking.
It is?
It was.
It was.
Oh, it's not on the light. Can you move it in the light?
What?
I can't see. It's not in the light.
You can direct the sign.
Look at it. It's put it on an angle the other way.
No, because it can't blow into the light in the screen.
I can't. I wonder what your mom thinks we're doing.
There's all the smoke coming out of it.
Toxic fumes. Oh, look at it smoke. Look at all that smoke. You see that? It's a white plume of smoke. Oh, it smells really bad. A whole...
The good thing about having it out here is the hose is right there, so if there was a fire, it would just spray.
This camera will only record 5 minutes.
Oh, it's blowing onto you.
Smells really bad. The microwave is pretty much ruined now.
It's not the microwave, it's the phone.
The battery, not the phone. At 3 minutes, I'm gonna stop it.
At 3 minutes on your phone or on the microwave?
On the phone, and I'm gonna stop it, save it, and then make part 2 and just combine it on the computer. Boom! Don't do that.
Why?
Scared the crap out of me.
Oh.